Hello everyone and welcome back to Rasia's Learning Studio. So now we'll start with our Python programming series. So to start with Python programming, first we need to set up our computer accordingly. So let's start with understanding what our system configurations are so that we meet the basic requirements for the Python installations. So the very first thing we need to check is what is your operating system. Your operating system might be Linux, Macs or MacBook or Windows. Basically, I have my Windows operating system. So how do you check your operating system? For Windows, you will go to you will click on the Windows key on your keyboard. It will give you settings. Click the settings. Once you click the settings, there will be a screen. On the left hand side, you will go to systems. On the right hand side, you will go to the lowest in the list which shows about tab. Click on the about tab and on that you will get Windows version. So for me it is Windows 11 Pro and it is a 64-bit operating system. Okay. So next we need to check the basic requirements. That is, what is your RAM configuration, how much free storage you have, do you have an internet connection and administrative access. So first, same once you go to the Windows key and then you go to settings. From settings you go to system and in the about tab only, on the very top you will see this ribbon. So in this ribbon you have in how much is your installed RAM, 16 GB RAM, okay, and storage is 477 GB. Fine. So I have more than enough of RAM. I have more than enough of free storage. See, 1 GB is required. I have more than 200, right? So 477 GB, approximately 212 is used. Now for internet connection, you can always go into the right corner and see on that icon where it shows the internet connectivity. Here we have seen that the basic requirements that we needed are fulfilled. We have 4 GB RAM, 1 GB free hard disk, internet connection, and of course administrative rights you need to have so that you can install the packages. Okay. Next is your. So now we move on to, we need to first download the Python. So what we'll do is we'll visit python.org. So this is our website, python.org. On that, once you click on welcome to python.org, you will be taken to this screen. So here you will go to Windows. Since my machine operating system was Windows, so here I've gone to Windows. If for you whichever is applicable, you have to download that. Okay. Now I will download Python 3.14.4, which is the latest version, and then from this website. So let's download. Okay, and then we'll run the install. Here we have installed Python 3.1.4. I've clicked on the installer and so here install now, and this is the directory it will install in the C drive. It will include IDLE, PEP and documentation. So basically what all is coming with the installation that's given here. Now this is important. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Hence we needed our admin rights. Okay. So here it will, and click this also, add python.exe to the path. So what this does is it will be actually adds it to the environment variables. What are those? We'll check go into details later on. I don't want to confuse you all. Okay. So now here we will install now. Okay. So it is installing and I'm clicking yes. So here it goes. So it has started installation. This is the latest version. So so it will take some time. Let's wait for some time and it has started the installation. So now here you see you have got a setup, a successful screen. So once we have got this screen, so our setup is done. Now we have to we downloaded the Python installer, we installed run we have run the installer, we have enabled the path, and we have installed it, and we have finished the setup. Okay, so our step 5 is done. Now the next thing to do is we have to verify our installations. So to verify our installation, we'll go to the command prompt, we'll run Python version, pip version and check, and then in IDLE we will check our test hello world program. So how to do that, I'll show you. So now here we have opened the command prompt. What did you do? You just did Windows R will open the run prompt. In that write CMD and do enter. Once you do that, this screen opens up. So I have done cd/ so that I come to the root directory C drive. Here I'll just check Python and hyphen versions. So this is very important. How many hyphens are you adding? Your version spelling, and this gives 3.14.4. So here if I had written Python version, it cannot find no such file or directory. So what you write, the command that you write is very important. Okay, so remember this. Check if you get any error. So the Python is installed successfully here. I'll just check my pip version also, hyphen version, and here we go. This is my pip and Python are installed perfectly. Okay, so now I need to check my IDLE. So now what I'll do is I will open up my IDLE. So I've gone to my search window. In that I've written IDLE, ID, capital IDLE, and the option it gives IDLE Python. Click on that, and this window will open up. So this is an environment where you can write the commands to the computer. Okay, so here I'll just write, let's see if this works. Okay, first print. This is the simplest one, print hello world. So anyone coming into the programming world first says hello world. Okay, I don't know why, but this is what the norms are. In any book you see everywhere, they will ask you to write print hello world first. Okay, so here we are born into this world, hello world. Okay, so let's see, enter, and yes, it gives the hello world print. So our Python is installed perfectly, and we can start with our Python programming. So this is one environment where you can actually write the code. You have file IDLE environment. So here it is about IDLE. What is IDLE? Python's integrated development and learning environment. So this is integrated within the Python installations which is available, and through this you can learn Python. So you can write the codes and it will run here. Okay, so you can also have different files. If I have new file, what it will write, I'll write here print okay, I am on my way to AI and data science. So here we go. Okay, and what I'll do is I can save this file, save as onto, I'll just do it on desktop right now. Okay, test 1.1 and save. Okay, and if I run this module, run module, so see here you get the output. This is the output that was. So what did I do? So that file is saved. Okay, I can always open that file from my desktop. Here this is the file 1.1, and open and run the module, run. Okay, and it gives the output. Fine. So our Python is successfully installed, and we have also tested our hello world program. It runs in the IDLE, right, the integrated environment for learning that Python has. So we have verified that it has been successfully installed. Now there might be some problems that you would be facing on your machine while doing things. Okay, so you can always ping the problems in the chat window below, so that together we can fix them. Fine. So as of today, we have completed our target, that was to install the Python on our machine successfully. Now IDLE is one environment where you can write the programs, but what we want is, so it's not so user friendly, okay? We will be installing VS Code, so going ahead, we will be using VS Code, fine. So this was just to check that everything was working fine. So these are some official resources that are available on the internet that you can check. Uh, so thank you so much for today, and thankful, grateful, blessed. So my dear family, have a great life ahead. Goodbye, Alvida, Niro, Anyong, Sayonara, and Kuda Hafiz. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.